Hey again, everybody. Astro Excel for the week of 3/18 to 22. Coming into the open of the session last night here, we had made the green line peak for the week already at plus 13.5. So overnight, we had moved down and we're flat. We're moving into this down period through Monday. It's going to last all the way till 1600 on Tuesday, right to the end of the day session. So we've got that downward pressure on the green line. We go flat, slightly increasing the rest of Tuesday through Wednesday. So it's just a little bit of negative pressure below the zero line. We don't start moving up until 10 o'clock on Thursday. So Wednesday's pretty much a flat line. We get a pretty strong move on both lines together up until the end of the session on Thursday. Then we're a bit flat as we get into the early morning. Friday, we've got significant pressure to the downside through the weekend, and the green line bottoms out then at minus 20. Blue line spikes. We had the first one this morning, 3 a.m. We're inside the 10s going through there. This one here on Tuesday, 10 a.m. Near plus 10 peak on Wednesday at 4 a.m. Big peak to the downside here at the close Wednesday, 1600. We've got a couple of high peaks here then to close the week at noon on Thursday, and then the other one is coming in on the weekend. Couple of spike lows here on Friday at 3 a.m. and again at 9 a.m. So those are the blue line spike peaks. We've got downside pressure together here from 6 to noon today. And then tonight from 2200 down to 4 a.m. we've got the green and blue lines in sync. After that, we have this segment here Thursday from about 8 and 9 a.m. We've got to move up together just for a couple hours till noon. And then they move down together on Friday morning from about 6 a.m. down to about 9 a.m. They are in sync. And then again in the afternoon from 1 o'clock to the area of the close Friday, they're in sync to the downside. So those are kind of key indications. That's what we're looking at on the Astro Excel template for the week ahead.